In this week's Jaunts with John T, we escape the cold, gray, and rainy Pacific Northwest weather by visiting the Portland Art Museum.
Howdy, and welcome to Jaunts with John T. I am John T, and it is a gray, drizzly day here in Portland, Oregon, and what better thing to do than on a gray, drizzly day than to go to a museum. So we are going to go to the Portland Art Museum. Now, we've been to the Portland Art Museum before, and I'll post a link to that video in the description. However, at that time when we went, they were undergoing a pretty major renovation. Well, that renovation is now finished, and the Portland Art Museum has kind of reopened with all of the new renovations intact. So we're going to go and check it out and see what these renovations are like, and see what kind of exhibits they have and everything. And we're just going to have a nice, pleasant afternoon here at the Portland Art Museum. So why don't you come on this jaunt with us?
First, we visited an exhibit of Native American arts, both traditional as well as modern interpretations of traditional art. This exhibit featured the work of Yoshida Chizuko, a Japanese artist whose work reflected the development of art in Japan following World War II.
find it fascinating how a piece of art, especially a piece of abstract art, can just speak to you for reasons you really don't understand. Like this particular piece by Yoshida Chizuko called My World. I can't explain why. It just really speaks to me, but it does.
This exhibit featured fascinating historical photographs of everyday life, with a focus on the experience of minorities in America. We then visited one of the main galleries. museums have the best gift shops.
That joke about my doctor said I can only have one glass of wine a day.
Exactly. Well, that was absolutely fantastic. We barely scratched the surface with this museum. It was very crowded. I tried to shoot around the crowds as best as I can, but since they just reopened after the renovations, it's definitely very, very crowded. So we basically, like I said, just scratched the surface. We are absolutely going to come back because the museum is beautiful, the renovations are great, and there's just a lot more here to see now than there used to be. So we will definitely be back. Well, anyway, that's going to do it, and I hope you enjoyed this visit to the Portland Art Museum, and if you did, please be sure to give us a like, as that really does help the channel out. Now here at Jaunts with John T, we go on jaunts around the world, around the country, around the state, around the city, and sometimes just around the house. So if that sounds like fun to you, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because that way you will be notified of future videos. That's going to do it for now. I am John T, and until I can figure out a better sign off, thanks for watching.